at Stourhead are so vast, and I find that this viewfinder Hello creative souls, and welcome to this week's video. This week I went to a very special place in Wiltshire. It's called Stourhead and it's absolutely beautiful in autumn. There is such a variety of trees with lots of different autumnal colours. So I picked up a leaflet, and on this leaflet, I don't know if you can see that, but all the trees that are there are listed here. I've also got some new, oh gosh, who make them? Distress crayons. They're like Neo Colour 2s. It's a dull, misty autumn tea time here in the UK. And so I'm in my art room. I was going to use my Sea Whites journal to swatch these, but I'm going to use my Ranger, which is where I have got, oh, I can't open this because the camera's too close, which is where I've got my Derwent Intense pencil swatched. So I thought I would swatch my distress crayons in here. Which side shall I do them on? The paper's fairly thick. These distress crayons are by Holtz. That's the name I was looking for earlier on. It does say it on here, but very tiny. Is it Tim or Jim? Oh gosh, I think that must be a J. Jim Holtz. Who knows? I will find out and give you the correct name. These are non-toxic. Like I say, I'm expecting them to be like Neo Colour 2s. Water reactive pigments. Ideal for creating brilliant backgrounds, watercolouring and more. Colour directly onto the surface and blend with water. Layer with distress inks or stains for more possibilities. Wow. Right, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colours here. And let's see what they look like. So let's take the top off. So this is called Aged Mahogany. There we go. Got a turny thing here that turns it up when you need to. Very nice. Look at these gorgeous colours. So Aged Mahogany, Wild Honey, Tea Dye, Forest Moss, Iced Spruce and Gathered Twigs. Wow, they sound fun. Oh look, I've made a smudge already before I've even started. Okay, let's swatch these. You know the drill. I'm going to speed you up. So here are my swatches, some really lovely colours, landscapey and autumnal. I thought what I would do is test these out on this side of the pad. I've got a lovely photo that my husband took whilst we were at Stourhead, so I'll put that up in the corner for you to see what I'm sort of following. And I'm just going to do a quick sketch and use these and possibly my Derwent drawing pencils to add some colour and some detail. I'll see how I get on.